Garlic powder, so I'm going to use some adobo. I'm also going to add fresh garlic because I like garlic. Got some paprika, red pepper because I don't have cayenne pepper, Old Bay seasoning, black pepper, Creole seasoning, Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire, and accent, onion powder, chili powder. I don't have oregano, so I'm using Italian season because I know it's in there. Lemon pepper. We got two sticks of butter. These two came with the lobster tails, so I'm gonna put those in there too. And then in the sink, scallops defrosting, some shrimp, lobster tails, and we're also gonna have, I couldn't find the raw ones, so, and for mine, I know people add potatoes in theirs, but I didn't want potatoes. I wanted to do like a steam pot type of thing, I guess. So I'm gonna put broccoli in mine instead. I didn't want potatoes. So yeah. Put in my oven on 400 degrees, letting it preheat while I get everything together. And I'm gonna put everything in these oven bags. They have like large, they have different sizes. So yeah, I'm gonna put everything together and show you how I do it. It's quick and easy, and it's good if you don't want like a big cleanup. I was gonna like actually put it in that pot to boil with that crab boil mix. I'm like, do I really want to do all them dishes? No. So yeah. Alright, so this is super easy. I'm just gonna take the oven bag and line my little bowl with it. This is good if you don't want a big mess. After you're done, we're gonna add our shrimp in. They're already cleaned and everything. We're also going to throw our scallops in there, which are also cleaned already, and then we're gonna put our king crab legs in there. And then the ones that I got, they're like cracked. The shell is pre-cracked, so all that flavor from the sauce is gonna get underneath the shell and season the meat inside, and it's just gonna be so delicious. We're gonna add our lobster tails in there. I am going to split those so the flavor gets in the shell. Be careful about those sharp little, I don't know what they're called, but they're really sharp on the side, so just be careful. Like I said, I'm splitting the shell in half so the meat on the inside gets all that flavor in there, and it's just gonna taste so good. The shell is gonna give it flavor, and keeping the shell on locks all those juices in. We're just gonna throw in our butter. I use unsalted butter. You can use as little or as much butter as you want.
It's butter?
Yeah, it's butter. And then I'm gonna add the garlic. All my seasonings I'm just gonna add in. I didn't measure it because like I don't measure stuff, so just season it how you like. If you don't like a seasoning that I use, just don't put it in there. Add more something else. You know your taste buds, you know what flavors you like and what you don't like. This is just what I do to mine. Alright, now we're going to add the broccoli to it. Like I said, I didn't have a taste for potatoes this time around. I've seen people add corn, broccoli, sausage, whatever they have a taste for. It's fully customizable. Just put in whatever you like. It's your crab steam thing. Just do it how you like. So I added some fresh. Oh shit! There we go. Let me get everything in the frame. Fresh minced garlic, and also gonna add this minced ginger and garlic paste, just a little bit. They said it adds really good flavor and freshness, so I'm just gonna. I feel like I should add more broccoli, but everything fits in the bag. Alright, so after you mix it well, just put it in the oven. You'll know it's done when the shrimp turns pink. Alright, so this is it fresh out the oven. Make sure you put like a pan underneath of it or set it on a pan, because as you can see, all that buttery goodness is leaking out the bags, but that's okay. Not all of it came out. All that flavor, it just looks so delicious. Alright guys, so this is the final product. Everything is cooked to perfection. The bag keeps all of the moisture in there, so your seafood comes out tender. I usually have trouble cooking shrimp because I don't know why, they just always come out rubbery, always overcooked. But this steam bag method, they will melt in your mouth tender. The scallops cooked to perfection. Crab legs cooked to perfection. Like, this was so good. Better than what you get like at Red Lobster or in some seafood market. Like, you can make it at home. This was bomb. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.